Zemismart, installation video. Zemismart MT01-2 Smart Curtain System. All provided parts. Before setup, ensure the motor is connected to mains electricity using the included power cable to charge the emergency internal battery. If you want to insert additional tracking, unsecure and remove the sub-gearbox buckle, then fully remove the sub-gearbox. Each additional section of tracking comes with a pair of track buckles designed to secure one section of track to another. Lift the buckles to release them. Ensure that additional sections of track are correctly aligned. The raised line along one side of the track should line up as indicated here. With the tracks lined up, you can now slide the track buckles into place, ensuring they line up with the joint of the two sections centrally. Refit the sub-gearbox to the track, then pull the positioner to the very end. You will hear a click once the positioner is in place. Unlock the master carrier buckle, then inlock and remove the master gearbox buckle. Insert half of the provided curtain runners via the gap in front of the master gearbox. Additional curtain runners are available to purchase if required. Insert the remaining curtain runners on the other end of the track, behind the positioner, then refit and lock the sub-gearbox buckle. Refit and lock the master gearbox buckle, and move the curtain runners to the end of the track. Move both carriers to the opposite edges of the track in preparation for setup. Relock the master carrier buckle. Manually move one of the carriers to ensure that both carriers move towards the center of the track without any obstruction. Connect the battery to the master gearbox. Insert and turn it 90 degrees so that it will lock into place with a click. Ensure the power cable is connected. If you need to remove the battery, pull the tab at the base of the master gearbox and turn the battery 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Press the set button once. Then press the middle button on the remote. This will allow you to pair the included remote control with the motor. Both carriers will briefly shuffle backward and forward once to confirm that pairing between the motor and remote has been successful. The remote has 3 buttons: open, pause, close. Each subsequent press of the open or close buttons will cycle through 3 different motor speeds. You can test the remote with the curtain motor and track to ensure it is working as expected, with no obstructions or abnormal movement. If the runners are moving opposite to what is expected, press the set button on the motor 5 times to reverse direction. The carriers will shuffle once. 4 pairs of wall plugs, 4 ceiling brackets, AMD 4 pairs of screws are provided for you to install these to the relevant location. You will need to install these brackets first, then attach Tay curtain track to the brackets after they have been securely fastened to a wall or ceiling. Ensure that the spring clips on the ceiling brackets are accessibly fitted and placed at the either end of the track, with additional brackets equally spaced. Curtain hooks are not provided. You will need to purchase curtain hooks suitable for your specific type and style of curtain. Curtain hooks need to be attached to not only the runners, but also the carriers. There are 2 holes on the carriers specifically for curtain hooks. To allow your curtains to extend beyond the motor master gearbox and the sub gearbox, you can use the 4 included extension hooks. Both the master gearbox and the sub gearbox have 3 separate slots to allow you to fit these extension hooks and attach curtain hooks to them. With your curtains set up, you need to add them to your smart home. Ensure that you have a thread border router, and your smart home is Matter compatible. To pair the motor to your smart home of choice, press the Set button 3 times for pairing mode. Then scan the Matter QR code in your preferred app. The Zemismart MTO1-2 smart curtain system works with any Matter and Thread compatible platform, including SmartThings, Alexa, Google, and Apple Home.